Welcome, friends. Your savings are losing value every day in India, and most people have no idea how this silent inflation is actually destroying their wealth. So, today we will discuss inflation, how it affects you. It is often called hidden tax for a reason. Inflation does not take money out of your wallet, it just makes the money inside it less powerful. Money is inside your wallet, but it is less powerful than before. In an economy like India's, where the cost of living fluctuates based on fuel prices, monsoon yields, and global supply chains, your purchasing power can erode surprisingly fast. So, the core economic concept, purchasing power, we know it at its heart is inflation. It is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services rise. When inflation occurs, every 100 rupees you own buys a smaller percentage of a good or service than it did before. So, the formula for real value of your money is if your saving account gives you 3% interest, but inflation is at 6%, your real return is 3%. You are technically becoming poorer while your bank balance grows. A bread and chai example is here to see how this works in a local context. Let us look at hypothetical 10-year span in India. So, item and price in 2014 and price in 2024 and its impact we will see. 1 liter of milk 35 in 2014, it is 66 rupees per liter in 2024, so there is 90% increase. LPG cylinder was rupees 410 in 2014, now it is 800 to 900, even 1000 also, over 100% increase. 10 gram of gold in 2014 was rupees 28,000, now it is 70,000 plus, or better to say it is 1.5. So it is 200 to 50% increase, you can say. The wealth destruction scenario, imagine you stuffed rupees 1 lakh under your mattress in 2014. In 2014, that money could have brought roughly to 2850 liters of milk. In 2024, that same amount now only buys roughly 15 liters of milk. Even though you still have 1 lakh, you have lost nearly half of your actual ability to command resources has vanished. Why this happens? Now, question is why this happens. There are several factors drive this silent destruction in India. First is demand pull inflation. As the middle class grows, more people are competing for the same amount of goods, pushing prices up. Cost push inflation. When the global crude oil prices rise, the cost of transporting vegetables from farms to cities in India spikes, leading to tomato fever or onion shocks. These new terms are attracting everyone and shocking also. Currency depreciation. As the rupee weakens against the dollar, anything imported like electronics or oil becomes more expensive. Then, how to fight back is the question. To stop the bleeding, your money needs to work harder than the inflation rate. Traditional savings accounts and many FDs often struggle to beat the post-tax inflation. Equity and mutual funds, historically, these have offered higher returns, 12 to 15%, that outpace inflation over the long term. Gold and real estate, these are hard assets that tend to appreciate as the currency loses value. The bottom line is if your money is not growing at a rate higher than the consumer price index, that is CPI, you are not saving. You are just losing money slowly. So your savings are losing value every single day in India, and most people have no idea how this silent inflation is actually destroying their wealth. So that's all about inflation.